Male yeast infection. The occurrence of yeast infections in women is pretty well known. It comes as quite a shocker when we get to know that these infections are on the rise when it comes to men too. People don't hear much about these infections in men, so the awareness regarding their spread and their prevention has not been so diverse. We do not take time out to consider for a fact that Candida albicans can harm each and everyone, and we have to on our guard always. Just applying an antifungal ointment to keep the infection from spreading is not enough to keep this disease within check. Let us start by looking at the factors which cause the spread of yeast infection in men. Most doctors and scientists conclude that having unprotected sex with a partner having vaginal yeast infection or kissing them if they are victims of thrush will pass the fungus on to you. Always carry a condom, you never know when the opportunity will arise. With the rise of sexually transmitted diseases, it's a must that you indulge only in safe sex. Again, doctors agree on the point that just because your partner has fungal infection, that you will acquire it from her only. This low chance of a male being afflicted by a yeast infection has made its interest in the medical world drop by considerable proportions. Male yeast infection is characterized by severe symptoms like itchiness and severe pain in the groins, coupled with a severe irritation which persists around the clock. You just can't stop yourself from scratching yourself if the dreaded yeast infection gets to you. Not to forget the severe pain you will undergo during the time of an intercourse. It's imperative that you immediately consult a doctor and start applying the prescribed ointments to the affected spot. Some suggested antifungal creams are taraconazole, butanol, clotrimazole and miconazole. Letting this disease persist in the dark folds of your trousers or your underwear will only hamper your daily activities. Stick to the basic mantra of cleanliness, separate your body scrubber from that of the other members of your family if you don't want them to actually realize the pain you're undergoing. Use a separate towel to rub yourself clean and always wear cotton underwear which prevents moisture from forming in the groins. Let your body remain dry and always give its due breathing space. Please visit http://www.candidiasiscure.com/ for more details and information about male yeast infection.